Welcome back to Primetime News. In this evening's health report, Shamala Pullen looks at allergic rhinitis.
Allergic rhinitis is an allergic reaction that causes sneezing, congestion, itchy nose, and sore throat.
Allergic rhinitis has been found to be present in about 27% of children in Jamaica and is present in about 15% of adults in Jamaica. There is a strong correlation between allergic rhinitis and asthma, with about 70% of asthmatics having allergic rhinitis and about 30% of persons with allergic rhinitis also having asthma. So that correlation we find is important with regards to the treatment of both conditions.
The condition is triggered by certain foods like dairy and nuts.
Some of the things that we inhale include indoor allergens in persons who have persistent allergic rhinitis. These indoor allergens include dust mites, they include cockroaches and animal dander from our pets. In terms of intermittent allergic rhinitis, we have to consider some of the outdoor allergens that we're only exposed to occasional, such as pollen and cut grass.
Affected persons can only get better if they avoid their triggers, but medication like antihistamines are available to treat the condition.
We also would treat patients using intranasal steroids in the form of nasal sprays or nose drops. And these are perhaps the most effective forms of treatment for these patients. Sometimes, however, patients will need to have montelukast added, especially if they're asthmatics, because this also helps to control long-term inflammation in the nose. Common home remedies include nasal irrigation with normal saline, using a syringe, sniffing the normal saline. Some people go to the sea, or some people use a neti pot. Steam inhalation is also useful.
With your health report, I'm Shamala Pullen wishing you good health.